In this video, we're doing Calculus and Vectors Part 1, and we're going to start with the vector-valued function r of t is equal to t cubed plus 1I plus sine tj. And we would like to do limits and derivatives and integrals with this. So remember, when you're finding a limit, the first thing you always try is plugging in. Here we are plugging in a 0. So if I plug in a 0 in for t for my vector-valued function, I would get 1i plus sine of 0j. Well, sine of 0 is 0, so that would give me a limit of just I plus 0j, and you can either put the 0j or not. In my second example, I'm doing the derivative of r of t. So I'm just taking normal derivatives. So the derivative of t cubed plus 1 would be 3t squared I. And then the derivative of sine would, of course, be cosine of tj, and that would be r prime of t. In my third example, I want to do the derivative and then plug in a 1. Well, I already have the derivative over there, so let's plug in a 1. R prime of 1 would be 1 squared I plus cosine of 1j. Well, that would be R prime of 1 is 3I plus cosine of 1j. In example 4, we are working with the integral of r of t, so let's go ahead and plug that in first. We are doing from 0 to 1 of t cubed plus 1i plus sine of tj dt. So let's move that up so we can have a little more space. So let's go ahead and integrate. So if I integrate, I would get t to the 4th over 4 plus t I. Derivative of sine would be negative cosine tj from 0 to 1. If I plug in the 1, I get 1/4 plus 1 I minus cosine of 1j minus 0 plus 0 I minus cosine of 0j. Well, let's see. So that would be 5/4 I minus cosine of 1j. 0I goes away. Distribute my negative. Cosine of 0 is 1, so that would be plus 1j. And we could go ahead and leave it like that, or we could combine these two items if we choose.